Hi, Peter with CalcBook here. Just a quick video to showcase one of our newly released modules, or really just a complete overhaul of one of our existing modules, our vertical brace connection. You'll now see we have a bolted gusset option here, so we'll go ahead and click on that and open up that new design module. And once that's open, you'll see again a more improved version of our summary page here. You get all your failure modes here for all the different failure modes of this connection. You can toggle over to your input summary, your demand input summary. Then you can also filter down this list based on what you want to look at. So if you want to just look at the brace to gusset connection, you can just click on that and it'll show you just those designs, those design checks. Over on the input here, right, you can configure this connection how you want. So if you want to have a welded connection, you can go right there to welded. You can have that toggle over. And then same thing with the column connection. You can have that toggle over between welded or a shear tab. Then you have all your different geometric properties, right? So if you want to change what your gusset plate looks like or your beam length looks like, you can do that, and it will tell you if you have any errors. Like here, the brace is obviously off the gusset plate there, so we'll need to adjust that to make that work correctly. And then, like the rest of CalcBook, right, you can go in and really get into the nitty-gritty here with all your different inputs. You can adjust all your different locations of the bolts and sizes and spacing and all of that. And then we can get into the calculations. So we go through our uniform force method, and then we can go through the demands at each of the interfaces. And then we can get into the capacity calculations, right? All the different failure modes for the connections. So our brace shielding, our gusset plate buckling, we can get into the beam gusset connection, the column gusset connection, including our interaction equations for shear and tension of the plate and calculating that. So please go ahead and check out this new updated module. You can go over to calcbook.com and download the latest version of the software. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.